with endometriosis, and how I found out. Hi guys, good morning. Yes, it's me. I promise that I'll be back here today, and so I am here now. All right, and for those who are new on this channel, I am your girl Tracy with a curve. So you can just go ahead, like my videos, spread the subscribe button, and let us chat a little over here. Yes. So, I told you the other day that I have things to tell you, and this is it. Yes, what I'm about to share with you is my health issue that I am having now at the moment. So, yes, I have endometriosis, and yes, I'm struggling with endometriosis, and how I found out first, as like I was having pain in the lower abdomen, and I went to the doctor, and the doctor told me to do an ultrasound a couple of years ago after I did a C-section surgery. Yes, with my last child. So, however, like some years after, I was like having pain in the lower abdomen, and I did ultrasound, and they said that there was a mass they need to remove, and so I did a surgery. That was my second surgery. So, you know, the C-section first, and then that surgery to remove the mass. I removed the mass, and however, I think that's it. So I'm gonna pain in mind years after, I'm still having pain in the lower abdomen, same way to the left side, and I decided, as I said here, I decided to go to the doctor and check it out. So I went to the doctor, and doctor said, I went to the doctor, and I realized I saw the lady that did the surgery for me by the hospital, and I said, you know that from the surgery, I still have pain in my belly, see me? And she said to me, say, okay, did you get the result back and stuff? And I said, no, I never get the result. What result? And she said, but them did send the mass them send the mass to the lab. And I said, I didn't know after that. So go and check over the lab. And I tell them about years ago, you know, because my child is 14 years old now. So when I did, it said that there is endometriosis. You mean that was for a long time, because as I said, I did surgery a long time, and just I realized that endometriosis. Now, I started to go to clinic, and then I get no talk, nothing. See me, just come like for nothing. Yeah, public health center, and me leave it out. Stop going there and all of that, and say, man, all the one time I'm having my mens, I get the pain, so just go and be around with it, because I hears now it a go on and whatever. Then I realize I still have the pain, and I decided to go back to a next doctor where they refer me to see a gynecologist, and I decided I'm going to check a gynecologist, you know, I'm going to go check the gynecologist, and him send for do ultrasound. Me I tell him the history with everything I go on. I said do ultrasound, and when I did the ultrasound, him said, okay, the endometrium is thickened, right? And so you got to do a surgery. So this would be like the third surgery in my life now. But this one I wouldn't be using, it wouldn't be cut. They are not going to cut it. They are going to do a laser thing, you know, a history copy thing, right? So, I did that about 1 year and 2 months now. However, I still have the pain. No one then, nothing to no one then. Every time, every month, whenever I have my mens, the pain is so rough and hard on me. So I decided to go and see another doctor again, different doctor this time, because I say, I'm not go back to a gynecologist, you know, because me go there already. I'm gonna do surgery 1 year after my shouldn't have no pain, CMO when me have my men having my mens and stuff like that. So I decided to go to another doctor. When I go to the doctor, she said, yes, so when I go to the other doctor now, she said to me, do ultrasound and let's see what's going on, because she got check up and everything. So, you know, you have to continue to do this ultrasound once you go to another doctor or something like that. Right? So I go to the doctor and they said do an ultrasound, and I did. However, when I did and I get back the result, they said that all the endometrium is thickened and there is fibroid alongside it. I laugh, like seriously, I laughed. So now make it be a big deal, but think about it, yes. So she said, all right, then I'm gonna refer you to a gynecologist. And I said, I can go back to the one I used, the one I went to here and had now where I do the surgery. And she said, okay. And I said, what about the gyna that is on this clinic here? Because there's a gyna there. And she said, you want to go there? I said, yeah, mom, I can just go visit her today and done, man, and thing. That's her son in the background. Hi, GK. However, so she referred me to the new gynecologist, and I did see her, and she said, all right, on the report I can see where the endometrium is thickened, and it is so thick, and I do not understand why is it so thick, because you said you did a surgery 1 year and 2 months now, which is history copy. So on her, it's so thick, you know, supposedly, that's what she said. And there is the fibroid now, so they have to remove the fibroid. I don't do it as yet, it is still there. And you have to remove the fibroid and stuff, so sorry for picking my nose. Sorry. That is just like I still shy doing my videos, so I always touching my face and doing something, but still we are going to talk same way. Yeah, it will come out of the shyness will come out with something. You know, sometimes we want to share something and tell some people something, but they just feel free, they feel shy, but it will come out somewhere. Right, so the shyness will move. No, guys, I am telling you that when I go to the doctor 3 weeks ago, they gave me some tests to be done and to check my, you know, my sugar level and a kidney and everything, and everything is working fine. Praise God for that. Yes, everything is working fine. It's just that they said that they do need another test to be done to show them, to be certain how them are gonna work on this, because them I said they don't understand how it take the endometriosis is still thickened and then a fibroid, so they say it can be very sticky doing another surgery with when the endometrium is thick and the fibroid is there. It's like them they together nearby clashing or something like that, you know. It's like that, they are telling me. Yeah, so I don't do that surgery. I get a MRI to do. Yes, and I don't do that as yet. I just check out the cost. It is for $107,000 to get it done. Not do it yet. I'm gonna try to raise some money for do it, or you know, look it somewhere or somehow. Anyways, not that. I'm just sharing with you. Yes, and saying this or saying that to say this, I decided to change my diet, the way I eat and drink, but I will explain that to you in another video. Okay, so I'm just updating you on what I am going through. I am struggling with this health issue but I am still staying strong. because I know with God all things are possible, and I know it will work out for me and it will work out for you. So for those of you who are going through some stuff, go ahead, talk to somebody. Don't sit down, fret and cry, because when me just hear about this thing, me just a cry to myself. But me decide to me I stop crying and talk with you guys, share what I am going through, so we can talk and go through this thing together. All right, so me for you and you for me. All right, so we can talk about how I decide to change my diet another day. Mwah, love you guys. Remember, like and subscribe to my video. This is your girl Tracy with a curve. Bye for now.